Lady Gaga is so grateful for her Golden Globe nomination. The 32-year-old singer-turned-actress has been shortlisted for the Best Performance by an Actress in a Motion Picture for her role in A Star is Born. And she's thrilled that not only has she been recognized, but so has her co-star and director Bradley Cooper in the Best Performance by an Actor in a Motion Picture and Best Director categories, and her collaborators on Shallow, which is up for Best Original Song. She wrote on Instagram, "I'm so grateful for all the nominations for A Star is Born today. The film has truly been a passion project for everyone involved, and we've all become a family." Meanwhile, Bradley is equally very grateful for the recognition his movie has received and is overjoyed his dear friend and co-star made the shortlist. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.